Now let's jump into the Android device and access it from there. Okay, so here I am at the Play Store, and I'm going to go ahead and search for GlideNet Cloud, do the installation on my Android device. Okay, we'll open it. We need to give it permission to access our folders. And then I just type in my domain, or IP address in my case. Enter my credentials. And as you can see, it's that easy. I am now logged into my files using my Android device. And there I can see the same structure, the same files that I was looking for before. I can open the user1 document on my device. I can use its default viewer, or I can also open it in my Word app. And now if I click My Files, it takes me back to the root. Now I'm in the SA Share folder, and what I'd like to do is open a document by someone else, someone named Alice, and so I'm going to use my Word app to open that file. And I'm going to allow it. Okay, so here I am looking at it in Word, but you'll notice it's read-only. That's because the Word application is respecting my permissions and credentials on this particular file. It belongs to Alice, and while I'm allowed to read it, I'm not allowed to edit it. So let's look at sharing. I'm going to go into the Building Projects folder here, and I'm going to look at this Excel file. And what I want to do is long press it, and that'll bring up a menu, and then I can hit Share. And all I have to do now is the same thing I would do on the web portal or on my desktop in my Windows client, is just type in my email address for any user I want to share it with. And I could do multiple users by separating it with a semicolon. Maybe add a note for the user. And then I hit this continue, and then I can see that I can do the same thing I can do on my Windows client. I can alter the expiration time and give them either full access or read-only access. Okay, so that's all done. Now what if I want to revoke a share? What if I no longer want that user to have access to the file? Then I can navigate to that file, click the file. Now I can go to my 3-button menu there, and I can choose the share manager. And then in there I just have to hit that X, and I can cancel the sharing. So now I've revoked access. That user can no longer access the file. And I've done this from my Android device. Now just to verify this, I will go over to the web portal. I'll navigate to that file, go to my sharing, choose my sharing manager, and you can see that that share is no longer there. So it has been removed. I hope you enjoy using the client and all the other ways of accessing your files. Check out our other tutorials if you need more assistance. Thank you.